Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study with a tablet. Tablets have revolutionized how we approach learning, offering incredible versatility and convenience. They can effectively replace bulky physical notebooks and heavy textbooks, streamlining your study materials into one portable device. With the right applications, you can enhance your organization, engage in active recall, and access your resources from virtually anywhere. This digital approach makes studying more efficient and adaptable to your lifestyle, whether you are at home or on the go. To truly leverage your tablet for studying, selecting the right applications is essential. Dedicated note-taking apps, such as GoodNotes or Notability, allow for organized digital handwriting and typing. PDF annotators enable you to highlight and mark up textbooks directly on screen. Flashcard applications like Anki are invaluable for spaced repetition and memory retention. Furthermore, cloud storage services ensure all your study materials are backed up and accessible across multiple devices, providing seamless integration into your academic life. Optimizing your tablet study workflow can significantly boost productivity. Begin by organizing your digital files into clear, logical folders for easy access. Utilize the split-screen feature to view lecture notes and a textbook simultaneously, enhancing your multitasking capabilities. A high-quality stylus is highly recommended for natural handwriting and precise annotations, mimicking the feel of pen and paper. Remember to regularly back up all your digital notes and resources to a cloud service, safeguarding your hard work against any unforeseen issues. To maximize your productivity and maintain focus while studying with a tablet, it is crucial to minimize distractions. Turn off all non-essential notifications to prevent interruptions. Consider using focus timers, such as the popular Pomodoro technique, to structure your study sessions into 25-minute intervals followed by short breaks. These regular pauses help prevent mental fatigue and improve retention. Finally, customize your tablet's interface to create a study-friendly environment, ensuring your digital workspace supports deep concentration and effective learning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.